We're going to look at page speed insights again. I'm going to be working with this website on page speed insights to show you how to correct some of the problems Google finds. So we're going to analyze the website again. So we're at a 78 here on the desktop, and we have a number of problems in here. The first one, this render blocking JavaScript and CSS. There's about 18 or so problems in here. 2% reduction there, 11% reduction there, and then minify HTML. And so I'm going to show you a plugin here called Autoptimize that's going to eliminate most of these problems. If you're not using WordPress, though, you can use Cloudflare to do this. They actually have an option to minify HTML, CSS, and JS, or JavaScript. But for now, I want to show you how to do it on a WordPress site. So as you can see, I've already downloaded it. It's Autoptimize, like auto-optimize, but only one O. And so remember, I had this huge list of problems with CSS, JS, just JavaScript, and HTML. So you go into the settings, and you're going to check off Optimize HTML code, Optimize JavaScript, and Optimize CSS. Okay, and then you would click Save at the bottom. I've already done that. So we have all these problems here, right? We have a score of a 78. Now we're back up to 82. And you'll see the minify CSS and HTML are now gone. All those problems have been fixed. And the minify JavaScript is now down to only 4 issues, and it's only a 1% reduction that you could get from it. The eliminate render blocking JavaScript, but it had a huge list of things, is now just down to 1. And so the plugin did work. Light work. So that's Autoptimize. Now, if you're not using WordPress, there's a very easy way to do the same thing on any other type of content management system, or even if you're coding your site yourself. And all you have to do is log into Cloudflare, which we set up a little earlier in the course. And you're going to go to the Speed tab at the top, and then just put a check mark next to HTML here, CSS, and JavaScript, and then Cloudflare automatically minify these for you. Now, you don't need the plugin if you're on WordPress. You can actually do it through Cloudflare. It's kind of personal preference, but if you're not on WordPress, this is what you'll have to do to minify all these things in your code.